good evening. I'm coming to you from Arkadelphia, Arkansas. I almost said Pennsylvania there. Coming to you from Arkadelphia, Arkansas, here at the Fairfield Inn. Gonna go ahead and go inside and get checked in. I'm actually using my voucher to stay here for free. If you'd like to know how to get free hotel stays, stay tuned to this video and I'll explain it to you, as well as show you a tour of our room and a tour of this entire hotel to the best of my ability. So come along with us. I'm gonna go get checked in. I'm tired, it's late, I've been driving all day. Alright, let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for your support. If you would like to become a channel member, please click the button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so coming off the third floor here, off the elevators, I'm gonna head to our room. My room is to the right. They do have sanitizer here. Let's go take a walk down the hallway. Alright, so after getting into the room in here, one thing, like I said, we've already been up to the room, we already checked everything out, so I'm just going to give you the quick tour. One thing I noticed when I first walked into the room, it has like to me it's a funny smell. Tori kind of said it was like chocolate and mint or something. I don't know, either way I don't like it. I don't like the smell at all. I don't smell it so much in the room, it's more by the front door. So let's see, maximum occupancy of this room, I guess, is $299. Not too bad. Alright, so let's check out the bathroom first. There's a full-length mirror on the door, which is cool. Nice big countertop, nice mirror. It's very well lit in here. Toilet with a lot of space, which is good. Shower, everything looks pretty clean too, as far as I can see. And then you've got over here body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. It's always nice. Now I like how the hotels provide that stuff. And hidden behind the door is the one item that I definitely don't need, a hairdryer.
He's bald.
So right here by the door, we've got an ice bucket with some cups, got a microwave, got a coffee maker with some coffee. I did see hot chocolate down in the lobby. Got a mini fridge down here with a couple of drinks in it that we added for tomorrow. Then here there's a closet on the side. There's no extra like like luggage cart here. We do have an ironing board and some hangers though. That's always nice. There's a thermostat, which it was kind of warm in here when we first got in. The 2 beds. This one's got like a reading light that's here, which is nice. And then what we did instead of the luggage racks is there's this cart here we put 1 suitcase on. And you've got the big work table here. Nice big flat screen TV. And then there's like a bench on the side over here. I don't know if it's for sitting or for luggage. I'm using it for my suitcase, so that'll work. And then we brought in our cooler like we always do. And then we've got our second bed, and then this like table coming out of the wall here in the middle, which has 2 USBs and 2 outlets. It's got some stationery. You've got an alarm clock and a phone, Book of Mormon and the Bible in here, and some storage space. And let's see our view out here. One complaint I read online about this hotel was traffic noise from the interstate over here, Interstate 30. I am in the room right now with the AC blowing, and I can't hear. There's semis driving by every so often, as you see one going by. I don't know if you guys could pick it up on camera. It's kind of difficult, but there's traffic going by. You can see traffic passing by in the distance, and I can't hear anything. But anyway, there's a nice big parking lot down here. There's the front door down that way, and then we parked over in the corner over on that side. All in all, the room seems pretty good. The beds feel pretty comfortable. This hotel, I know it's newer. I don't know how brand new, what year it opened, but I know it has mixed reviews. One of the reviews was that this hotel sits out in the middle of nowhere, that there's nothing next to it, which is true. You get off the interstate and you have to go down the little like frontage road that runs parallel to the interstate, and it's dark and black, and it's a little difficult to see at nighttime when you're getting here, but if you drive slow you'll be fine. And then there is nothing that you can walk to, not yet. As the time that we're recording this, the hotel is literally the only thing here. Maybe in the future another hotel will open up next door, or maybe some restaurants will open up, but the restaurants, when you drive from the exit, there's places right there at the exit of the interstate. So all you have to do is just drive back. It literally in the car, it's 2 minutes in the car and you're back on the interstate. And there's plenty of things to select from up there. So far so good. I will hopefully get a chance to show you guys the pool in the morning. I walked you guys through the hotel and I couldn't go in the pool. There was a bunch of little kids in there. Last thing I want to do is walk in with a camera, especially at 9:30 at night. Wouldn't look very good. And there is like an event taking place downstairs too. There's a bunch of ladies having some sort of shindig. There's music blasting from one of the meeting rooms, and all these people keep going in and out of there, and the whole parking lot's full. Like, I don't know if it's full because of the special event they're having, or a combination of travelers and the people that are here for that. So breakfast should be pretty busy in the morning. Hopefully we can get up and get down there early. We always travel with a cooler. It's like that size. It's like that size of a cooler. It holds probably like a 12-pack of soda. In our cooler, we usually put, a handful of drinks for each of us, sodas, water, some juice. But we also like to have the cooler when we're traveling in case if we go someplace to eat and we have leftovers while we're on the road. Like we pick up a pizza from somewhere and we got a couple slices of pizza. We'll even travel sometimes with like aluminum foil. That way we can wrap up the leftover pizza and just wrap it up and throw it on top of the ice in the cooler. So sometimes when we're traveling, we will stop at grocery stores and we'll pick up stuff like, sometimes they'll have pre-made wraps or salads, and then we can throw the salads in the cooler and have them for lunch on the road instead of getting fast food. It's just, for us, it's nice to have a cooler. I know when I was a little kid and I used to travel with my parents, when we'd go on road trips in the summertime, everybody was lugging a cooler in and out of their rooms, so you had to fight to get ice. If you didn't get ice when you first checked in or first thing in the morning, you probably weren't going to find ice if you checked out late or if you arrived too late at the hotel. It's just one of those things, I guess, that was instilled with my family. It's like when I was a kid, we just always did it because that way we didn't have to waste money on drinks, and anything we'd want to get food-wise that needs to stay cold, we can, if it fits in that cooler, we can make it work. Now, sometimes when we go on bigger trips, we'll bring a bigger cooler as well. That way we can buy meat and grill at a rest area or at a park or something as well. So just one of those things I was just throwing out there. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you guys ever travel with a cooler? And if so, what's your go-to item that's always in there? For me, I'd say I always probably have a Mountain Dew in there. Tori has a Coke Zero a lot, and we always have bottled water in the cooler. And when little one's with us, a lot of times we'll have things like blueberries and strawberries, stuff that we can munch on in the car as well. All right, guys. Well, enough rambling from me. I'm tired. I'm gonna hit the bed here and get some sleep, and then we'll give you our thoughts on what we thought of the beds and what we thought of the overall experience of staying here. All right, guys. See you in the morning.
They also have this sitting area out here with plenty of sitting areas. Out here by the pool, they have a grill, and then the pool is separate, but it's attached. You need a key to get in. Here's a tiny pool. Has restrooms, which is nice. I'm sure there's an outside shower here somewhere.
So this is going to wrap up our visit here to the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Arkadelphia, Arkansas. Hey, this one was well worth the money. It was completely free. No, but it was a good hotel overall. We had a pretty good experience. How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty good.
Yeah, I slept pretty good too. Better than last night. Better than the night before, I mean. But yeah, we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the hotel. If you like our hotel tour videos, hopefully they help everybody out. Share them with anybody you know who's going to be traveling down Interstate 30, coming to Arkansas. Because this is definitely a hotel I would recommend staying at. We did stay for free, but the price itself wasn't too bad. You know, it wasn't like it was some outrageous price. All right, guys, so like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'll see you in the next one. Safe travels. See you soon.